Tiny microphone. Da-da-da-da-da. Okay. Whoa. My friend, it's not every day that you're looking for a sound designer, and I think you just found your guy. Hey, I'm Nadav, and I'm a sound designer. Now, if you're watching this video, it can mean one of two things. One, you're my mom, and you're watching this because I sent it to you, and you have no idea what I'm talking about. Or two, you're looking for someone like me, and that's great. Let's go on a little ride, shall we? You want to? Let's go. So, over the last few years, I've been doing a lot of work with sound. This is recording, right? I did everything from being on set to sound design to mix and master.
I come bearing good news. It's time to go.
So much for keeping my prom. Technically.
To composing original music. And some video editing too, like the one you're watching right now. But anyway, we're not here to talk about stuff that I've done in the past. That's not interesting. We're here to talk about what the fuck? Anyway, what I was trying to say is we're not here to talk about the past. We're here to talk about the future. So, the bottom line here is that you are working on a project that's really cool and really exciting. And I have some skills to help you make that happen. So, the way I see it, what are we doing here? We're wasting time. Okay. So, yeah. By now, you understand the idea. I understand the idea. We both are on the same page. Things are looking great for us. All that's left is for you to hit me up and let's do stuff together.